Okay, so Naomi, can you tell us how maths targets work in our classroom?
We do maths targets when we come to school in the morning, and we talk about our maths targets with the person next to us or our teacher.
Excellent. Daniel, where could you find your maths target?
On the front of our books.
Could you both show me? Okay, Daniel, what's your maths target at the moment?
To know half of numbers to 20.
Super. Can you tell me what half of 20 is?
10.
What's half of 6?
3.
Half of 10?
5.
Half of 8?
4.
Wow, you're doing super well. I think you will have achieved your target very soon. Naomi, how do people know when they have reached their target?
You know when you have reached your target is when you get 3 smileys.
3 smileys, wow. And what's your target at the moment? Can you tell me without reading it from there?
I can understand and use fractions.
Fractions, fantastic. So, let me give you a quiz. Can you write a fraction that means a half but is not 1 over 2?
Okay.
Excellent. Can you give me a different one? Can you give me one where the bottom is 30?
Okay.
Super, okay. And what have you been doing this morning? Can you show me where in your book you work on your targets?
Yeah. We work on our targets at the back of the book.
Excellent. Can you show me what you've been doing today? Can you explain what you've been doing?
I wrote down some fractions, and I've been drawing squares and rectangles and shading and half, quarters and 1/3 or 2/3.
And how do you feel that you need to take this target forward? What do you need to learn, or would you like to work more on to understand fractions?
I need to learn how to know how to shade how many boxes.
To shade different amounts of boxes? And what about, do you feel confident if it wasn't a rectangular shape? If I gave you a circle or a hexagon and asked you to shade a certain amount, would you feel as confident doing that?
No.
So maybe that's something we could work on together tomorrow. Okay, Daniel, so you're working on halves at the moment and you're doing really, really well. What do you think your next target might be? What's something that you don't feel secure about in numeracy and you'd like to work on more?
Takeaways.
Some more takeaways, super. And what about multiplication problems?
Okay.
You think that would be a good target? Super, well done you two. You can carry on with your target. So do you want to go to your table and carry on? 2 more minutes?